Day 5, so it's last day of the week. We've got the bit of flooring I forgot yesterday, so we've dropped that in now. We've built the back wall, what I showed you yesterday. Now we're going to build the both side walls as well. We'll get them stood up, and then we'll plumb and rack all these 3 walls, fix them all together, and then we'll drop on our front wall and put the steel in, which we've also got today as well. So I showed you how to build the wall yesterday. Basically, top and bottom plate, mark your 400 centres, spread it, put your uprights in, nail it all together, job's done. And then we'll OSB it, we'll breathable membrane it, and we'll slit it like that as well. Right, so we've got the back wall up, we've got the side walls up, they're all tied up with each other now. We've plumbed the back wall there. These are square, so the corners are plumb as well. We're going to get the customer out now, decide where the doors and windows are going to go, and then we're going to build the front wall as well. Okay, right. So it's 3.5 in depth is the roof. Let me focus that. So the roof's 3.5. Because of these permitted developments, you're restricted to height, so we're restricted to timber sizes we can use on the roof. So what we're going to do, we're going to double up these 5x2 timbers. You know, so to add a bit of strength, so it'll actually then be 5x4 timber, which will span the roof. So what we're going to do, we're going to stand at one end, and somebody's going to twist the timber, and I will then go down, and when it's in line with each other, we will nail it all the way down, twisting it left and right until, push it that way, John. That's it. And then, so that we'll go all the way down like that with the nail gun, and then what we'll do then, we'll drill a hole through with this 12mm drill bit and this Makita drill we've got here then. We'll then drop this nut and bolt through the hole. Obviously through that way, but this is for ease of video as such. And then, so we'll then bolt down there. We'll have 10 bolts all the way down it, which will then make a nice secure 4x5 roof timber. That's the way to do it. They're not doing it, if you watch them on the internet, if you watch all these other people building it, they're not doing them at right spacings, they're not doing the timbers at the right size timbers, they're not right spacings, they're not putting their noggins in all the way along, which we will do when we've finished. They're not doing it right. There's only me that's doing it right. If you want one of these, give me a ring and we'll do it right for you. To me, John. We're off home now. There's a storm coming this week, big storm, so we've braced all what we've done so it's not going to blow over. It's solid now. That'll not go nowhere. We've not done the front wall because we were just waiting on confirmation where the bifold doors and window were going, so we've jumped on these roofing timbers which I showed you earlier. So they're all bolted together now, nice 5x4 timber there, ready for going on the roof. That'll get on Monday. So on Monday when we return, we will build the front walls, put the steel in and drop the roof on. So a bit of a recap of what we've done. We set out, we dug our piles, John concreted all the rods in, we then built our base, we insulated the base. We then put the breathable membrane over the top of the insulation, and then we fit the 22mm Aga Protect. We've then built our stud walls out of 6x2 structural grade timber. We've clad in 11mm OSB board, and then we've wrapped the breathable membrane around that, and we've also feather edged the back wall there so we could drop it up in one place. We've used 6x2 because we're having some sound insulation on this, so we'll want our regular thermal insulation and then our sound insulation as well in the depth of the wall. So that's it, we've had a good week here this week, we're cracking on with it and we'll make more progress next week, so don't forget, like, subscribe and comment. Any questions I'll try and answer them, and just keep watching and you'll see it built towards the end. Thank you.